Welcome to Merry Simple English. Today's story is called
Dad, can you play with me? Hi, Dad. You're home.
Hi, Tom. Yes, I'm very tired today.
Dad, can you play with me?
Not now, Tom. I'm very tired.
I can play by myself.
Good boy.
At school, no one played with me.
I know. But today I'm very tired.
Dad, just 5 minutes?
I'm sorry, Tom. I'm tired.
Dad, this is my drawing.
Who are these people?
It's you and me.
I don't see any toys here.
That's okay. I only need you.
Tom, let's play now.
Really?
Yes, I'm here.
Here is my teddy bear.
Thank you. He is very nice.
Now, let's play catch.
Okay, I am ready.
Here it comes.
Got it.
Yay! This is fun, Dad.
Yes, this is good.
Look at my drawing.
Wow, it's beautiful. Tom, I love you.
I love you too, Dad. Yay, Teddy!
Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Dad.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, Dad. I slept well.
Yesterday was a good day. I liked playing with you.
Me too, Dad. I was very happy. Sometimes I feel lonely.
Thank you for telling me. Your feelings are important.
Who do you play with at school?
Sometimes I play alone.
I see. That can feel lonely. It's okay to feel that way.
Yes, Dad.
Today, you can try something small. You can play with one friend.
One friend?
Yes, one friend.
You can say hello.
I can try.
I am proud of you.
Thank you, Dad.
Have a good day. Try to play with friends.
I will try.
Oh, I love you.
I love you too, Dad. They are playing together. I can try. Hi, can I play with you?
Yes, come play. Let's play tag, okay? Okay. You're it! You can't catch me! Yes, I can! Run! Run! I catch you! No, you can't! Yes, I catch you! Haha, that was fun! Yes, fun! Again? Yes, again!
I like playing with you.
We like you too.
Dad was right. Friends are nice. I am not alone today.
Dad, today at school, I played with my friends.
That's good, Tom.
I was happy.
I'm glad you had fun.
Me too.
But sometimes I feel sad.
I'm listening.
One day, I played alone.
I see. Thank you for telling me.
It feels better to say it.
Your feelings are important.
Really?
Yes, they are.
Thank you, Dad.
We're home.
Okay. Can we play a little?
Yes, we can. Ready? Watch the ball.
Okay,
Good catch. Now throw it back.
like this?
Perfect. You're doing great. Ready to learn throwing and catching?
Yes, please.
Watch me throw it to you. Catch!
I got it.
Good job. How was your day?
It was good.
What made you happy?
I played with my friends.
I'm glad to hear that. What did you like today?
I liked talking with you.
I'm happy to eat with you.
Me too, Dad.
Are you tired?
A little.
Okay, let's get you to bed.
Okay, Dad. I feel safe.
I'm here.
Today is a good day.
Yes, it is. Good night, Tom.
Good night, Dad. Why are you not listening?
Tom? I'm here.
I had a bad dream.
It's okay. Do you want to tell me?
Yes. In my dream, you didn't hear me.
I'm listening now.
I felt very small.
Thank you for telling me. I'm here with you. You are not alone.
Can you stay?
Yes.
I feel better.
I'm glad. I can hear you.
I know, Dad.
Children do not need many things. They need time. They need love. They need you. Good night, everyone. Rest well and take care. If this story makes you feel warm, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us make more stories. See you next time on Merry Simple English. And if this story touched you, please leave a comment below. Your words help us make the next story better.
Okay, Dad.
Great. Now, tell me what you think.